Very good morning to all of you. You are most welcome in this session. Today I am going to teach mathematics of class 6. It is 16th chapter, triangles. Okay. In previous class also we talked about the polygons. Polygons is the closed figure which is made at least 3 sides. And when 3 sides are taken and the closed figure is known as triangles. What is triangles? And if 4 sides are taken and the closed figure makes, it is quadrilateral. Okay. So now here I have taken triangles in 16th chapter. It is so triangles. How many parts a triangle have? You know already. Triangles have 3 sides, A, B, C. So how many sides? That is A, B, and now BC and AC. How many sides? 3 sides. That is sides. And how many angles? How many angles? 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. So we can write angle as angle A, angle B, and angle C. Okay. Another way also we know that if we start writing the angle B, then always we start from one back step. So angle A, B, C. B which is at the middle, it always indicate the angle. And now C, so start from here. B, C, A. B, C, A. Or if we have to write A, then start from here. C, A, B. C, A, B. Okay. There are 2 types to write an angle. Angle A, B, C, or you can write this way. Both are same. Okay. And now the where the 2 side meets is known as vertex. What is? That is called vertex. Vertex. And the plural form of vertex is vertices. What is? Vertices. Repeat after me. Vertices. Vertex is singular and the plural form of vertex is vertices. So how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3. Where the 2 sides meet each other, the common end point is known as vertex. So how many vertex? A, B, and C. There are 3 vertices. So we knew that how many sides? There are 3 sides. How many angles? 3 angles. How many vertices? 3 vertices. Okay. Now we are going to learn that triangles are divided according to the sides and according to their angles. Okay. So now according to their sides, also divided in 3 further parts. So 3, what is that? First is equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? If the sides of a triangle, if the sides of the triangle, how many sides? 3 sides. If all 3 sides are equal, then it is known as equilateral triangle. It means that is AB equals BC equals CA. When 3 sides are equal, then it is known as equilateral triangle. And isosceles triangle, when only 2 sides are equal, ABC. AB equals AC is known as isosceles triangle, and isosceles triangle when the all sides of a triangles are unequal. If this is 2 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, then it is called isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, the sides are unequal. Okay, I hope you got it. Now obtuse angle. The angle is divided here according to the angle. If the angles of a triangle is less than 90 degree, suppose this is 40 degree, okay, that is 60 degree, that is 80 degree, so all are less than 90 degree. It means the angles are less than 90 degree. All the angles are less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. And obtuse angle when one angle of a triangle is greater than 90 degree, that should be greater than 90 degree. It means more than 90 degrees. Suppose that is 110. If one angle of a triangle is greater than 90 degree, is known as obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Now we talk about right angle. When one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, that is symbol of right angle. That's why it is known as right angle triangle. Well, in a triangle, only one angle can be 90 degree or more than 90 degree. Okay. How many acute angle can be? 3 acute angle can be, but and also 90 degree, that can be only one, and more than 90 degree also one. Okay. So the question arises that how many right angle can be in a triangle? So maximum right angle can be only one. Okay. So now according to this, you can do the exercises. Okay. So we see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.